The measure, question number 5. The measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay, so the adjacent angles are not given to us, but their ratio is given to us. Okay, so suppose that adjacent angle be x. Okay, so their ratio becomes 3x degree and 2x degree. Okay, so let the two adjacent angles be 3x degree and 2x degree. Okay, then we know that the measure of two adjacent angles. Okay, the two adjacent angles are supplementary in parallelogram. Okay, we know very well, recall the properties. Okay, so 3x degree plus 2x degree is equal to what? Then 180 degree, since the adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, are supplementary. Supplementary means measure of these two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Okay, so 3x degree plus 2x degree is equal to what? Then 180 degree, means sum of the adjacent angle is 180 degree. Okay, because in parallelogram they are supplementary. Okay, now we have to find out this x. Okay, x means what? Measure of each angle of that parallelogram. Okay, so 3x degree plus 2x degree is equal to 180 degree, and therefore see here variable is same, then that's why we can take their addition. Okay, so x degree is common, and in bracket 3 plus 2 is 5, means we get 5x degree is equal to what? Then 180 degree. Okay, 5x degree is equal to what? 180 degree, and therefore if we have to find out the value of x degree, then we have to divide both side by 5. Okay, then we get 180 degree upon 5. Okay, since in this 5 degree divided by 5 becomes cut, we get x degree is equal to 180 degree upon 5, and therefore x degree is equal to what? Then 36 degree. Okay, x degree is equal to what? Then 36 degree. Okay, so 36 degree is the angle. Okay, 36 degree is the angle. Okay, but the ratio is given to us. Okay, if suppose it is a parallelogram. Okay, suppose it is a parallelogram, these two adjacent angles are x degree. Okay, these are x degree, but their ratio is given to us, means they are 3:2. Okay, means we can say that 3x degree and 2x degree. Okay, so this 3 is multiplied to this x degree here, this 3 is multiplied. Okay, so the angle becomes 3 times. Okay, means this 36 degree and this 3x degree becomes what? Then the angle of this is the angle of this parallelogram. Okay, and then 2x degree means what? This angle. Okay, and then opposite angles we know very well, in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. Okay, so we get, therefore 3x degree is equal to what? Then 3x degree is equal to 3 into 36 degree, which is equal to 108 degree, and 2x degree is equal to what? Means these two adjacent angles we are finding. Okay, these two adjacent angles are 3x degree. Okay, and 2x degree. 2x degree is equal to what? Then 2 into 36 degree, which is equal to 72 degree. Okay, so the adjacent angle, the measure of adjacent angle is 108 degree and 72 degree. Again, these two angles are what? Then obviously in parallelogram the opposite angles are of equal measure, so we can say that this angle is of measure 3x degree opposite to this angle is 108 degree, and 2x degree opposite to this angle is this angle, means we can say that it is also 72 degree. Okay, so the opposite angles in a parallelogram are of equal measure, and therefore the measure of angles of a parallelogram are 72 degree, 108 degree, again 72 degree and 108 degree. Okay, so write down like this, since, write down the answer, since the opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measure, and therefore the measure of the angles of the parallelogram are, okay, so first angle 72 72 degree, then 108 degree, then this angle becomes opposite to this angle, means it is also 72 degree, and this angle is 108 degree. Okay, so the measure of the angles of parallelogram are 72 degree, 108 degree, again 72 degree and 108 degree. Okay, so this is all about question number 5. Now come to the next question. Question number 6 is similar to the question number 5, so try to solve it at home.